Today we're gonna go over a beginner-friendly way to ensure that your artwork is centered so that when you press it on the shirt, it comes out perfect every single time. What I like to do is I have this alignment tool. You don't need this, but it definitely helps a lot. It tells you this is like a standard placement. So you go 3 inches down, 4 inches to the right or left. This is just a ballpark. So depending on the size of the shirt, you can change it up. Next, grab the artwork, fold it in half. The artwork's edges on the far right and the far left should be where you fold it. So make sure that you're not folding it according to the paper. Leave a little crease there so you know that this is your center. Same with the back artwork. You can see that the sheet is uneven. The distance between this side and this side is not the same, so you can't just center it off the sheet. So don't make that mistake, because a lot of people will do that in the beginning. So you're gonna just fold it here at the top, at the bottom, and you should see that the crease is more or less in the center. It doesn't have to be 100% perfect, but it's just a guidance kind of thing. So now we're gonna go to the press. The way you load up the shirt is gonna be the most important, because if you're off here, you're gonna be off with your artwork. So make sure that the center of the collar is on the center. I have this dot right here to make sure that I know where the true center is, since when you just eyeball it, sometimes I forget. And then bring this up, grab both sides evenly, just so the collar passes the lip. Bring out the tool, put it right at the edge here. This is a size large, so you don't have to make any adjustments. Right where we made that crease earlier, we're gonna center that right where the 4 is here. Remove it. Lift up the collar, get a visual this way. This helps a ton to make sure that it's actually straight. So that looks pretty good to me. Then we're gonna push it in. Press. Pull it out. Hot peel. Get the sheet. Second press. Push it right back in. Press, release. Got it right here. Now we're gonna hit the back side. When you load up the back, it's really important that you evenly put it on the platen. So grab both edges, take it to the back like this before you even slide it onto the platen. Grab both edges. Try to keep an even distance if you can. Pull it evenly until you hit the collar. At the end of the platen, at the side closer to you, you can make adjustments to the size by pulling. Look at it by pulling it up. I can tell that this side actually needs to move a little bit more to the left. So we pull it until it's even. Make sure that the shoulder seams are even on both the left and right side. So you can see that this distance is even, so it's good to go. One of the hardest things is visually trying to see where the center is on these paper sheets. Now this helps when you're starting out. This might not be possible when you're doing a lot of production, but try and find a straight line on your artwork. So my text is all straight horizontally. So I'm just gonna grab the ruler, draw a line, because I know that's straight. Do it at the top, and then I'll do another one over here about halfway through, so that I have a visual cue of what I'm looking at when I place this. We take this seam from earlier to make sure that we know where our center is, and then we're taking these pencil marks to ensure that the angle of the sheet is straight, so that we are 90 degrees perpendicular to the platen, so that it should form a line this way and a line that way, 90 degrees. Once you're ready, push it down and hope for the best. Eject, hot peel, get the sheet. Go for that second press. Now we release. After you take off everything, just make sure you inspect it, everything looks good. Remember that even if it's a little bit crooked or a little bit off-centered, it's okay as long as it's only off by like a 1/4 inch or even 1/2 inch, because when someone wears the shirt, it's gonna look completely different compared to when you're staring at it just with the shirt on the ground. So just remember, pay attention to all the little details, and make sure you follow my page for more tips and tricks, and keep creating.